Hello everybody, just still hunting this little park here, and I finally think I've hit silver. So we'll see. It come in kind of like a wheat penny, but when I kept playing with it, it got right up where it should. So anyway, I'm gonna pull right in here and see if you guys can see that rim in there. Let the back off, but I'm pretty sure. Watch it be a piece of junk or something. No, she's. I think we got silver. Well, it's either a barber. I haven't flipped it over. It's either a barber or seated. And it's a barber. 19. I think it's 09. Oh, really in decent shape too, yeah. I think. Finally hit silver, but
$18.99.
Oh, is it $18.99?
Yep, $18.99.
Oh, $18.99. All right. So.
And yep, I believe it's an $18.99. Definitely $18.99.
I'll be dog.
That's sweet.
Yep.
That is so cool.
Man, I don't know how I missed the pinpoint on this, but everything's been riding so much weirder. Does that get a mint mark on it? Can't tell. But alright, well, we'll put that in our pockets and see what we can get and see how long my wife is going to let me hunt. It helps that I've got a partner here that my wife doesn't feel so much like telling me, let's go. So we'll see what happens. Well, just pulled out a V nickel down from about 4.5, oh, probably about 6 inches. I think it is a 1900, right on the nose. Kind of worn. Back's pretty good. So, anyway, that's a good find. It was, I thought it was going to be a steel pop tap or pop cap. It ended up being a V. Played with it long enough, it made me curious enough to dig it. So that's a good thing. Talk to you guys later. Okay, everybody, we're going to get a nickel signal here. But guys, I'm going to 90 it and you'll hear a strange difference. The reason that I'm digging it is because of the depth. We're about halfway down on the depth meter, which is about where we've been finding these old coins, that V nickel and the barber. And anyway, right there, that is right on a nickel. Okay, we're going to turn. And we're getting all sorts of weird stuff here. Goes back to nickel. So let's see. Let's dig this up and see what this is. Okay. We'll get back with you and I'll show you what it is, whether it's good or bad. Okay, guys. This is what it looks like when your wife's coming and she's had enough of the 3 kids and your metal detecting, and she's on her way over here to tell you it's time to go home. And I even brought her metal detector. I don't know how come a lady with a master's degree in counseling can't metal detect and watch 3 kids at the same time. We still haven't found our target yet, so let's get down to it. Okay, we're down to it, and I want you guys to listen up. And let's dig this out. Let's see what we got. Oh, there it is, right there. And that's a V nickel. I thought I saw a V. take a look at this. 18.
Well, I'm not married yet.
1894. No, 1884. 1884.
We'll talk about getting some sons and daughters.
Yeah. No, it is in 1894.
Baby brother.
Yep. So it's pretty cool. And see right there, the last signal is 1316. So introduce my wife, Luann, and our son, Traven. How old are you? 1? You say 1 year old? Can you say bye-bye? You learn how to do that. And we got Firewxman, North Platte, Sean, and Talon, and Lorena. Talon, how old are you?
5.
5? You lost a tooth this week, didn't you? Can you show us your tooth? Or what was left of it? Lorena, how old are you?
3.
3? Alright. And I am NebTrac. So we're at a nice park Sunday afternoon, and we'll give you a total of our finds a little bit. So you guys take care, and we're going to sign off, and we'll go through our finds here after a while. Okay, we're done with the hunt today, and I'm going to have to go, so I was going to show you guys some of the finds. I just stuck them against the trunk of this tree. First off, here's the trash. I dug 2 old steel pop tabs. Those will come in like a nickel one way, but the ferrous numbers will be way like 17 to 24, and then they null out in the pattern I'm in because you turn a different way and they're up above like 6, like 0, 4, 12 or something, but they can give you a nickel sound. That one's kind of cool because they busted off the glass on it. Found this old spoon, 1 piece of can slaw, little lid, this pipe, and this is, I think this is off like a nut off of a syringe, cattle working syringe or something. This piece here. I did find something else kind of neat. Is this little pin or something, but it says the Malibu Steel Range Manufacturing Company, South Bend, Indiana. It come in kind of silvery sounding, so I don't know what it is, but I think that's a stove. So, but anyway, on to the good stuff. I hunted with Firewxman and Sean, and find his. He got a new oldest, a 1911 wheat, and then pulled out a 1910. These are my finds now. 1894, I think, V nickel, 1900 V, 1907 Indian, and it was in the same hole as this 12 wheat, and a 1911, and a 1916, and then my new oldest Indian head, 1865. I always thought those were fatties, but that one's pretty thin. 1865, and then we hit silver in 1899 barber. So, all right, well, you guys take care. There's, I guess this is, I dug 1 clad dime, 1 zinc penny, and then this little necklace piece. So we will call it a day and get back with you later. It was a good hunt. Appreciated Sean coming and hunting with me. Try and do it again. Take care. Well, what are we doing today? We're combining beans. And I know a lot of you guys look for places to metal detect, and bean fields is one of them, where old towns were at one time are now being farms in rural areas and whatnot. And we do have them in Nebraska, so I thought that was fitting that I'm combining beans. And I've got a place lined up that was an old town that's been gone a long, long time. The school was there probably up until about 40 years ago, but I never ever remember it. But anyway, we're combining beans here. These are irrigated beans, but it's pretty poor soil. So I don't know if they're going to do 50 bushel or not. These aren't mine. I'm custom harvesting these. I run an 820 head there, 20-foot flex head on a 1460 International Combine, 1983 model. So we're closing in on 27 years of that combine. And I'm probably the third owner coins, but it was a town there over 100 years ago, so I'm hopeful, and we will get back with you later.